It's Samir. Today we're here with Steven Roth, who is a manager in our Test and Evaluation division. Steven, welcome.
Hey, thanks for
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your group and what you guys do for CFD Research.
Sure. Yeah, so my group, we're out in Hollywood, Alabama, the original Hollywood. We used to be out in Scottsboro in the Goose Pond colony. We moved to a new facility about a year ago.
Okay.
And we do everything from test evaluation. Really, it's design, build, test. We're heavy on prototyping. We're in a really fast-paced working environment with a lot of machining, a lot of really fun hands-on experimental design, hands-on testing. We do a bunch of remote testing at the test stand. And the group has grown significantly since I've hired in. I hired in with 3 people.
Right.
And now we're up to well over 20 people.
Yeah.
A lot of growth in that.
Tell us about what you like most about working here at CFD Research.
Yeah, so CFD Research, I think, is a really unique place, at least definitely out in test and evaluation land, just because we do a lot of collaboration. We collaborate a lot with headquarters. We've got on Draco Ventus contract, for example, we're working with modeling and simulation folks where they're doing high fidelity simulations. They're really in the nuts and bolts of simulations, whereas we're in the nuts and bolts of the hardware,
right,
actually testing things. So we're doing a lot of verification, validation. So the problems that we solve are very complex. I like the complexity, the collaboration with the rest of the group. We've got technicians out there, so day to day for an engineer out in Hollywood is do a little bit of engineering work, maybe a meeting here or there.
Right.
Go and talk to technicians, see if stuff is manufacturable. Inevitably, it's always not manufacturable the first time. But that kind of design iteration and this fast prototyping environment is the thing that is really exciting for me, and I think we do a really good job at.
Okay. So we've talked a little bit about your team and the projects and what you like about working here. Let's talk about what you do when you're not at CFD Research. What do you like doing outside of work?
Yeah, so I'm a pretty outdoorsy person. I really like to be outside. I rock climb pretty regularly, so I'm traveling kind of all over the place. Last year I was in Switzerland for climbing. I went to Mallorca, the Mediterranean, to do some climbing without ropes over the water, over the ocean. So I'm kind of always outside, always using my hands, just in kind of different ways. I climb here in Huntsville, at the climbing gym.
Yeah, I know. I've seen you there with my kids at the climbing gym. So yeah.
Yep. So there's the old climbing gym, the one that was originally there when I hired in, and now just in the last year, they've opened a brand new climbing gym. So if you're there from anywhere from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., you'll probably see me there.
Okay. So, we talk at CFD Research, we're all about team and that sense of family, and we do a lot of great events to kind of build that camaraderie. Can you tell us about what your favorite event is at CFD Research?
Yeah, I'm a big food person. So any sort of event that has pretty interesting international foods, like I've definitely enjoyed the Indian food that we've had.
Right.
It's always nice also to be able to support some sort of fundraisers, like Liz Hurley.
Yeah.
I definitely really enjoy the food and just coming down for a couple, an hour or so and speaking with everyone and seeing people that I don't get to see.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, thanks a lot for spending a little bit of time with us today, Steven. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next episode of Get in Gear with Samir.